No cap, y'all. This was definitely one of the ones. I'm going to put my little spin on the Kickin Chicken from Zaxby's. If you never had it, you got to go try it. If not, I'm going to show you how to make it at home. So first things first, we're going to take some brioche bread. We're going to cut that into nice thick slices. And we just want to toast these. Now for our chicken tenders, and yes, the sandwich use chicken tenders, not chicken breast. We're going to add some buttermilk, some eggs, some hot sauce. We're going to season this up. We're going to get that massaged in. We're going to add those to some seasoned flour. Then we're going to let those rest on a wire rack. Get rid of that excess flour. Then we're just going to fry this until nice and golden brown like this. Now, Zaxby's uses a sauce called tongue torch sauce. And how you make it is just have some hot sauce, some honey, and throw some cayenne to your spice preference. We're going to get our brioche bread nice and toasted. And we're just going to simmer our sandwich. I decided to add lettuce just to be a little bit healthy because this is a big back sandwich. Then we're going to add on 2 chicken tenders. And then we're going to drizzle over that hot sauce. Use as much as you like. And then we're going to come over the top of that, pause, with some ranch. Pause! Then come with that top bun. And y'all, this was a big back sandwich, but it was so good. And one thing about it, 2 things for sure, Chef D the real GOAT. Make sure you follow for more, no cap.